Hello, I'm Erwin. I'm a radiologist from the Philippines, and this is my implementation of an agentic AI workflow using google-adk and Google Gemini. This is my formal submission to the Agent Developer Kit Hackathon with Google Cloud on DevPost. So let's get started. But what would a radiologist want to build? What would I want to build for myself? What agentic team would I even want or need? What about an AI radiology assistant? One that can preview images that my co-doctors or co-workers have questions about. And based on their interactions, the RAD assistant can email me accordingly to escalate either an emergency or even draft a preliminary report. So all I have to do is double check. And so this is the inspiration for the RadAI assistant chatbot with Google Gemini. In the end, I had one root or main agent that delegated tasks to sub-agents. I had one sub-agent that used an MCP server for Gmail and another sub-agent that used the built-in Google search tool for Gemini. Putting it all together, here is the final product.